My name is Chambati, but you can call me Chambers. I'm from Zimbabwe and I'm currently studying a master's in virtual reality at Swansea University. So essentially what drew me to Discovery was the Give It A Go week. Me and my friend decided that we were going to try see all the opportunities that Discovery were offering, and we first entailed with buddy reading. That for me was really interesting, working with the children, kind of getting them to, read and just enhancing their literacy. Another project that I was a part of in the Give It A Go week was the Veg, and that was like a communal garden where people that might not have the space to make or grow vegetables or flowers in their own garden or even have a garden at all, they can go to the Veg, which is a communal space where you have an allotment and essentially you can grow your vegetables and goodies there. And then the final project that I did in the Give It A Go week was the Unity and Diversity, and essentially just helping out asylum seekers and refugees, with their English, just getting their literacy rate and proficiency a little bit better, and just also being a friendly ear and just hearing what they have to say and just, being a friendly person to, interact with. After partaking in the Give It A Go week, I really enjoyed the atmosphere that Discovery had to offer, and now today I'm the project coordinator for the fundraising project at Discovery. And that's what I like about Discovery. They give you the tools you need to grow today for a better tomorrow.